Oh, this thing during the game, my mouth ended up being weird.
Bunch of people.
In this weather, like, if it was cold,
Here, you stay with him. I'm gonna move up with Austin, right?
Are you sure it's moving though? It could be like. Oh fuck, we're pointing straight fucking to him. That's where they're going. Go, go! We gotta intercept!
Hey, get to that flag! Who's got a scope?
Keep your mask on, bro. Alright, let's keep moving. Where'd you go?
I have no fucking idea. I think you already ran down.
Okay. I know, fuck that. And then when they...
I don't want to move down next to no cover over there. Nowhere to hide if we go over there.
Yeah, I think we should just post up right here in case something happens with cover. Because yeah, when we find him or someone else finds him, we're enemies, so I'd rather not be in the open. Where is he hiding?
I kind of want to go down.
There's gotta be somewhere simple. Go down. I'll stay up here. See him? See Jack and Trent down there? What's he? Where? There you are. Where the hell did you go?
I wanted to take everything off and put it.
Oh, awesome.
Hey, what is she supposed to be wearing?
He's the guy that was telling us what to do the whole time. Are you ready?
She blends in.
Yeah. Are you ready? So we need to... Fuck, okay.
Where do we kill him?
Where do we have to take him? The town? Right? If we find him?
Yeah. Is that guy over there running? I see somebody running. Yeah. Did you see that?
I'm gonna move a little bit down. Oh, go, 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 go! Stay down! Stay down! Stay the fuck up! Go, go, go! You covered me? You got me covered? Go! Ah, dude, I ate shit when I saw you start pointing. I'm like, oh fuck!
Fuck! Almost.
Now what? Who has them?
They're already halfway there. There's two guys right across from us on the barrel. By the flag. I see them. Yeah. They're all moving forward.
Yeah, they're moving forward. They're taking it. Oh, Green's got him. They're moving him into town. You see him?
Yeah, that's him running. He's hit. You have to move back.
We got a possible sniper right in front of us.
Got. There we go. I think we should start moving down that way.
Yeah, let's get moving before they. Let's keep moving before they get him. Let's keep moving and get a good position before they get to the town. Alright, stay down. Watch out. We already got a squad down there. What's happening?
I don't even know what we're going to do now.
This is chaos. What do we do? Don't go down. Let's stay up here and provide support from aerial.
I can't see where the fuck they are.
They're not here yet. Like I said, let's just stay here. And when they get there, we can provide aerial support.
Where do they have to put them?
They have them in the town.
No, but they have to keep them there. They have to put them.
We have to keep them in that town if we get them.
Well, they got people pushing up right here.
Yeah. We can easily get flanked from this position.
Hey, they're inside that building.
What's our guys? Don't shoot them then. We got men moving up. Stay down. They're coming. Yeah, we got guys all over the freaking place. We should move now before they start getting bigger groups. They got us pinned. I mean, they know where we're at now. There's no time to move out now.
I know.
Yeah. We need to stay here. Oh, we got a sniper over there.
Boy, that scope is kind of useless.
Stay down, her.
We have
We have him.
Alright.
We just need to hold the spot.
Yeah, I have one mag left.
Oh, there's Trent and Jack behind the tank. Oh, we're being hit. And, oh, you got hit?
Yeah, I saw him in the chest.
Fuck. You're hit too. God damn it, stay down. Andre, stay down.
I'm not on.
Stay down. Get back more. Nope. Our guns are useless from here. We need to move up. They're taking the town. They're moving in.
I'm like really low on ammo.
Oh, I got him. Okay.
Yeah, I can't. I'm out.
That guy's an asshole.
I'm out of ammo.
What's going on?
Where are those grenades?
There's trying to be. Hey guys! You guys! What's going on down there?
We have it.
We have him? How many people do we have down there? Yeah, watch out, they're shooting. How many people do we have down there?
A lot.
A lot? Alright.
Yeah, we're right there,
Yeah, we have to hold them
Their
there.
guys are all the way on the other side.
They are?
They don't know we have them.
Yeah, because last time I saw a green guy take them there.
It was me and him brought the VFE down there, and then they got us.
Let's go, Parsa.
I think we got him back.
That sniper's gonna pick us off.
No, he's not, bro. We just gotta get Kevin, bitch. You two are going that way? Yeah, that's
I think I'm
Jimmy, we're gonna...
One out, bless!
This is the steepest hill we could have got. I forgot about that. Yeah, let's keep moving. I can already see about 5 in the back bushes where we were.
I see him. Watch yourself.
Right here, right here! That one right in front of me! We're here! In the bushes! Press fire! Oh, right in front of me, right in front of me! I'm pinned. I can't move.
Stay there. I don't...
Okay, he's out. He's out. Good spot, bro. I like it. Yep, got him down. I don't see anyone. They're not going to move again. How many? How many? We got a couple over here in the bushes. Keep moving. How many did you run into over here? Three? I know, they're all spread out on that hill. You can?
Can you? Can you? Look, they're right there.
Right there, like in the open. Be careful. There's probably some.
Stay down. They're always in the bushes.
Yeah.
They're all over there.
Yeah, we're good? We're good, it's clear. Yeah, let's keep moving. No, not down yet. We just need to stay on this hill like they were.
Let's go the furthest point in the hill, though.
They are? I just got hit from this side somewhere.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't get hit, but I mean, they went right by me. They're probably in that green line. And then we got one. Oh, Jimmy, watch out! We got someone right in front of us.
Oh, I heard that.
We got someone right in front of us.
You see him?
No, but it's coming straight, so I mean.
It's before the barbed wire, so.
Yeah, it's just. Oh shit.
We're back.
Oh, everyone's falling back.
Where's it?
I don't know, dude, but it was going straight for Jimmy, so.
I'm right behind you, Jimmy.
Oh yeah, go. Which one? Which one? Oh. Which one? I'm moving up. Right behind you. Oh, there he is. I see him.
Yep. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. Right there. Oh, shit.
We know where he's at. You guys can move up here a little bit. Just stay crouched.
Come crouch up right here.
Yeah, I see him.
I see his head.
Oh, he's out. He's out.
Another guy.
There's another guy in the bushes to your left. Oh, yep, right there. You see his head?
His head, yeah. There's a guy standing in bushes right there too, Jimmy.
Yeah, moving back. All right, ready? Go this way, though. Ready to go.